So we are here at Rafa's garage. Today we're working on the Celica. AC's not working, so we're swapping out the AC compressor on it. Oh snap! They forgot their voltmeter here. So I do have to remove that cruise control, remove the alternator to get to the AC compressor. So that's what we're gonna do real quick. So let's run it down. Oh damn it, that thing's broken. You see how I'm gonna take that serpentine belt. Let's see if I can focus. But right there, that's supposed to be a 19. Got broken, so we're gonna use a pry bar for it too. Then from there, this is a 12. There's one down here, that's a 14. These are easy. 10, 10, and there's supposed to be another 10 right here. Doesn't have it. But yeah, 10. Unplug this. 10's for the AC lines. It's already like vacuum. They already vacuumed it out. Of course, this plug right here, and then you got 3 12s. 1, 2, and then you got another one right here. 3, and that's it. This thing should come out. So I lied. You don't have to take out the alternator. I disconnected the battery just in case. But it does come out just with removing the cruise control. Just 3 bolts right there. Those 3 bolts for the cruise control. Unplug it. Take out the serpentine belt with a 19. I was able to do it with the pry bar, and that's how I get it when that thing is broken. So time to unbox the refurbished one that I have here and install it. And then Monday I'm gonna go drop it off so they could put Freon on it. Guys wanted to charge me $900 for this job. They charged me $100 of diagnostic because they put Freon and they figured out it wasn't Freon, it was the clutch that was going bad on this. It hold Freon, but clutch wasn't working, so I had to get a new one. That alone cost me like $240 with a $25 core, which I'm gonna get back once I drop off that one. 1-year warranty. And then I gotta go over there and have them refill it. They're gonna charge me another $150. It's $250 plus another $250, $500. Saving myself $400 on doing it myself. So there it is, all done. This job only took like 20-30 minutes. I shit you not. The hardest part is the serpentine belt, but that was fairly easy. Just gotta tighten the battery and I'm set. Charge it tomorrow. Later on, we're gonna find this fender and maybe a side skirt for this and give it a nice little detail. Get the stock suspension also and get it ready for sale.